Good evening, citizens of the Empire. I have overheard many people speaking of me in my travels.
Some of you have had kind words to say.
Others not so much.
But in either case, I am pleased. If people are talking about me, it means they are thinking about my words. If people are thinking about my words, it means they will learn. And if people learn, then the galaxy as a whole will ultimately be returned to harmony with itself. As a great human philosopher once said, evil can only exist when good people do nothing. Thus, one must do more than just learn, one must act. I urge each and every one of you,
Write your regional moth
regarding the injustices about which I have spoken. 5 letters can be ignored easily. 500 letters can be ignored with equally little effort. 500 million letters, however, cannot be ignored.
Spam your moth's inbox. Spam his secretary's inbox.
Hell, spam his dog's inbox. Make your voices heard. But I equally urge you, do not make yourself heard through violence. If you attack an Imperial physically, then as far as the Empire is concerned, that is a carte blanche to defend themselves by whatever means necessary.
Further,
if one resorts to violence before attempting to use one's wits, then it will only perpetuate the myth that those of us who dissent are nothing more than uneducated savages, which will in turn lower the overall chance of making everything right. I would stay longer,
but I must dip out
for a meeting with a business partner to work on synergizing our respective firms
for an upcoming merger.
Thus, I must bid you farewell for now. Good night, my friends.